Tired of waxes and ceramic sprays that fade after a few washes? Today we're diving into Cerakote Paint Sealant, a high-tech hydrophobic coating that promises months of protection with just one application. Whether you are a weekend warrior or a professional detailer, this could be a game changer for your car's finish. In this video we're gonna see how to apply this product, we're gonna test it with the water beading, and we'll give you my honest opinion. Let's check it out. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box, and this is the paint sealant. Okay, it comes with the liquid, the paint sealant in a bottle, the sprayer, a microfiber towel, and the application instructions, how to do it. So this is everything that comes inside of the box. Before you apply the product, you have to wash the car. You have to make it clean, dry everything. Make sure it doesn't have water. Put the car in the shade because the moisture, it will affect the liquid, the coating, okay? So remember to dry the car, put it in the shade, and the surface of the car, it has to be cool, not warm, okay? So let's start with the process of applying the coating. Okay, we're gonna spray the paint sealant directly on the paint, and we're gonna use the microfiber to spread the coating on the area, and you can buff it up with this one too to make it even. Okay, so we're gonna use these two items. So the hood is done. So make sure there is no streaks or lines. If you see any, clean it up, okay? So you can see, already looks shiny. Looks good. Looks more glossy. Yeah, I can see it over there. Probably in the camera you cannot see it very good, but I can see it more glossy on there. The reflection is better. That's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing for the whole car. I'm not gonna do the windows because I have another product for another video that is amazing. But for now, I am only gonna do it's a wrap, but it's gonna be the orange, like the paint. Okay, so I'm gonna do the exterior, the whole exterior of the car. Let's continue with the application. Okay, and now it's time to apply the other coating to the rest of the car. And if you wanna put an extra coat, it works too. But remember to let it dry for 2 hours before you put water on the car. So let it dry for 2 hours. Okay, this is the next day. So this is the moment of the truth. We're gonna see the hydrophobic reaction on the car. Look at that. The water beading. It's amazing. Look at that. Okay, now we're gonna do another test, and the other one is, let's see how it looks with the water. You can dry this one with the water. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the water beading. Ooh, amazing. And this is only with 2 coats of paint sealant from Cerakote. So the product is amazing. Alright, the car is done. As you can see, looks shiny and it feels more smooth. Amazing. Okay, so remember, don't wash your car for 2 hours. Let it dry. Okay, for 2 hours, no washing on the car. Okay, and this one, it will protect the car. It will has a hydrophobic reaction. I will protect from dust. Okay, and it will keep your coating more time. Okay, it will make it lasted longer. That's amazing. Okay, and also if you want to apply more coats, you can do that too. But this one, it will last 50 washes. So if you wash your car every week, it's almost 1 year. That's cool. But if you want to do more coats, you can do that too. That's amazing. Okay, the link for this product is gonna be in the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. This one is like a quick detailer, but more than a quick detailer, it will protect the paint from dust, dirt, and it has a hydrophobic reaction. Cool. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and see you on the next video.